Let's talk about money. It's a very juicy topic. It is very important to all of us. So I just finished this book known as Psychology of Money. It gave me immense perspective on how I should go about money. And since we all are young and we have the power of compounding to our favor, I found this book to be immensely introspective and immensely helpful, and I really want to share the philosophy behind this. So I'll put directly what is stated in the book. Money's greatest intrinsic value, and this cannot be overstated, is our ability to give us the control of our time. To obtain bit by bit a level of independence and autonomy which comes with it. It is a world where intelligence is hyper-competitive and many previous technical skills have been automated. Flexibility is going to be the new superpower in the 21st century. So the modern world, since everything is in abundance, flexibility is going to determine your longevity. And if you are not financially backed up, it might create a problem for you, or it might lead you to take decisions which you wouldn't have if you had money in your account. We have to be very smart with money. We have to be very diligent in our spendings, and we don't have to spend on everything we see. We just have to be very intentional and cautious regarding our spending. If it's not adding value, just don't. You will have a better chance of learning skills whenever you want to and whenever it is necessary without worrying about money in your bank. If you have an ability to think in a slower pace, to find your passion and to try out new things, you are sorted. As per the book, flexibility is gonna be the best thing which can set you apart in the future. And this can only happen if you have financial backing and you have some liquid assets which you can really rely upon for a rainy day. So just save, and save, because you never know when you will be needing them. The ability to do all these things when other people can't is your superpower. This is gonna set you apart in the future, where intelligence is no longer a sustainable advantage, but flexibility is. You can upskill whenever you want to by pacing down a little bit for the better future. That flexibility and control over your time is the biggest return the money can ever offer you. It is a very unseen advantage of wealth. Having more control over your time is becoming one of the most important currencies in today's world. If you like this philosophy, I'll be linking it down below. Definitely give it a read. I cannot summarize this book because it's just very in-depth and very helpful. There are a lot of lessons which you can really apply and think about money, what it means to you. This is what it means to me personally, to have control over my time. This is something which I'm going to be chasing. What are you chasing? Let me know in the comment section below. My dad is personally the best person I know who always chose to be very smart with money, who was very disciplined in his approach and gave us the best lifestyle we could. And whenever I was reading this book and I was coming across certain ideas, it felt very familiar to me because this is something which my dad has been practicing all his life. Mentally, I was just checking all these boxes and it made me adore my dad even more. So that's a personal thing that made me enjoy the book a lot because it sort of helped me to see what we miss out on our parents. We have so much to learn from them, yet we really sometimes underestimate them, and that I feel we should not do. So this is something which I didn't learn directly from the book, but I learned from reflecting back and thinking about my own decisions. To some extent, we do this and we should not. In conclusion, that's why more people can and more people should listen to their parents and save. Until then, see you in my next video, signing off. And yeah, save money.